Well, good morning from amazing Thailand. So, heading to YSS, which sells shocks, and going in for a well-deserved service. Here it is right here, and they do awesome work here, and I'm really glad I'm doing business with them. Howdy cup. Michelle, Honda, NC, no, harder.
Repair shop and change oil on.
Yeah, front, change the oil in the front and check.
Check the
Yeah, check the shock. So the cup. Welcome to YSS Service Center. These guys are very professional and taking lots of measurements and details on my motorcycle, and I can tell you it makes a huge difference last time when I rode it back. And it's not, the shock is not running bad, but it's a very good idea to change fork oil. Normally you would change it yearly, but with COVID I've had to wait 2 years. But yeah, it's, and checking the suspension is so important that a lot of people forget about that. So anyways, looking forward to trying it out after. It's nice to even have loaners, scooters. So welcome to Thailand. We are having a tropical storm right now, and as you can see, it's raining pretty damn good, and we're trying to get protected here, but as you can see, it's still getting wet, and the wind is coming across, and yeah, definitely having an impact here. Welcome to the world of tropical storms. Yeah, it's raining pretty damn hard. And I'm already soaked, so what the hell, might as well just keep going home. And I got a few more kilometers to go. Thankfully my phone is waterproof. This was a nice little section here where it's the above road is covering it, so it's nice. But we'll be back in the shit very, very soon. And here we go. Definitely we're going to see some flooding. This amount of rain, that's for sure. And this morning I said, I won't need my rain gear. Well, guess what? Maybe I should have brought it. Oh well.
Well, the end result is that the bike is performing awesome, and I'm really enjoying the ride. So always check your suspension. It's pretty important. Thanks for watching.